Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Wigan to Bolton Railway Electrification Scheme. I'm quite nostalgic saying that. Now, if you've been here a while, you'll know that I've covered the entire scheme. Now, I have had a few new subscribers. So for the new subscribers, this is a scheme that I covered in quite some detail over the space of quite a few months. If you haven't seen any of these, I'll leave a link to the playlist in the top right-hand corner now. So we're looking at Deep Pit Footbridge. This is the final piece of the jigsaw in the entire electrification project. Listed structure, and they've been modifying it to lift it higher so it can clear the overhead wires. The bridge is now in its final position. All that's left to do is put the ramps in either side. So let's take a look at that. This is looking at the northern side of the bridge, what I call the Aspel side. You can see there's these red pillars. Now, I'm not absolutely certain if they're in their final position or if they're ready to be moved into something. Those of us who remember the bridge before the modifications remember it was a simple cobbled up ramp. Now, it's not easy to see from the drone, but the digger is actually on an up ramp there, so I'm not absolutely certain what's going on that side. Bit simpler on the Hindley side because they're just replacing the ramp that was there like for like. As you probably remember, it was this up ramp with wooden floorboards, basically, what could get a little bit slippy when you're young on a BMX and you're going down them. It's not easy to stop on. If you need to know, ask her or no, trust me. But that foundations are going in for that now, so I think that's going to be like for like replacement. And that's it. Just the ramps to complete. Now, I will keep an eye on the project, but like I said earlier, it's a final piece in the jigsaw on this project. I've got a couple of more projects on the go at the moment. I've got Greek Street Railway Bridge in Stockport, doing some videos also on the Mottram bypass. So I'd really appreciate it if you could take a look at them, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks, everyone.